Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Prophet back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Cardano ADA. So if you guys don't have Cardano ADA already, or you are a Cardano ADA holder, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video, because we talk about Cardano pretty much daily on this channel, giving you guys the best and newest and greatest updates, as well as the newest and greatest price predictions. I think Cardano is definitely on the right track. We've talked about it a lot recently, seeing this, all-time high pump to about $1.84. If we take a look here, we actually saw it go to $1.83 May 10th. We actually saw over here the $1.84 May 9th, 1 p.m. And that is currently our all-time high at $1.84. We are seeing a lot of potential in Cardano. We've seen it for a while now, but we continue to see Cardano do very, very well. It's one of those coins that has such value in the very, very near future. 1 to 2 years from now, Cardano is going to be a very massive coin. It's going to have great value in it. And because, like I said, Cardano is one of those Ethereum competitors, we're going to see a lot of people jumping on board with Cardano, with the Ethereum having so many delays. And like I said, gas fees previously, are insane with Ethereum. So let's jump a little bit farther into what Cardano has been doing, as well as the most recent news about Cardano. And then we'll jump back to the price analysis and price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So if you guys don't know what Cardano is, we'll read the brief description here on Coinbase. Cardano ADA is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So if you guys haven't already, definitely take a look at the website and do your own research. Remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So jump onto the website, do your research. There's a lot to be actually researched on the website. There's a lot to actually be known on the website. So we will take a brief look at the website here in a second, but let's go over some of the news first. So we've talked about these first two tweets here, but they're very, very important. So I want to talk about them again. If you haven't already had a chance, check out Get Revoto and help revolutionize the subscription economy. So if you guys don't know, the next step is obviously staying tuned, because Revoto is one of those coins that has actually jumped on board with Cardano, one of the first projects to jump on board and do so. So I think this is a big deal. Obviously, seeing projects already taking advantage of the Cardano ecosystem, and we'll see what happens with this subscription economy that Revoto brings to you. So next we have the AIBC nominates ADA for Blockchain Solution of the Year, Cardano. So Cardano nominated for the blockchain. Wow, I can't talk. Cardano nominated for the Blockchain Solution of the Year. If you guys didn't know, the AIBC Awards nominated Cardano for Blockchain Solution of the Year. In the achievement Cardano gained is notable recognition of its recent developments. Obviously, this includes things like the Ethiopian government working alongside and providing, the Africans with some awesome things. So Cardano hopefully will continue this awesome work over in Africa. I think it's going to be great to see. A lot of us are excited for the work they're doing, as well as our price increase over on Cardano. So there's a lot of positives to what Cardano is doing right now, definitely for Cardano holders. Next we have, I don't know who needs to hear this, but hundreds of projects are coming to Cardano, both enterprise and retail in nature. I do want to say, guys, this is realistic. If you guys don't know much about this, there are a lot of projects that are going to use Cardano when it's fully, functional. Right now, we don't have Cardano fully functional, and that's the only reason we don't have retail and enterprises already jumping on board. We see a lot of potential of this in the future. Hi, Ethan. I'm sure we will start seeing the community compile formal lists. So these are some of the lists, I guess, that Space Ape made himself. Card Starter, Yay Swap. I'm not going to go through all of these, and I'm not going to actually verify these either. So take this with what you will. I just wanted to show you guys this tweet and then kind of talk about how this is actually very factual. We do see a lot of projects coming to Cardano ADA. I think it's going to continue to show with more and more people talking about the potential behind it. So we jump onto our next tweet. I guess this is more of an article for us. Cardano smashes a new all-time high following that 14% gain. So we continue to see Cardano push, and we actually saw ADA charted 14% growth to reach $1.83 on major exchanges, marking a new all-time high. It was last seen hovering just below 180, having gained 14% on the day, 31% on the week, and over 47% in the past month. So massive as Cardano continues to push. Obviously, the market cap continues to push with it. If we go into the next tweet, this is one that I just want to kind of give you guys a brief overview of. So Cardano creator had dinner with governor of Wyoming. CZ says it's good work towards crypto regulation. So if you want to read more on that, you definitely can. And I thought this was interesting. So Spencer said, I love ADA, but I have a question. How is this a worthwhile story? And then Mark actually had a great response. So because government relationships are critical to the entire crypto sphere, and Hoskinson is a leader in this effort in the U.S. internationally. So he talks a little bit about that, and it gives him, like I said, it gives a little bit more of a clear understanding of why Hoskinson is a great leader, really. I think it's going to be a great coin to continue to follow. Cardano is doing such big things, and I think, like I said, it's going to be a great coin to follow. So let's jump into the actual website itself real quick. We'll go briefly over it, and then we'll jump straight back into those price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So if you guys don't know already, Cardano is looking to make the world a better, work better for all. And they talk about how Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. If you guys don't know much about Cardano, we're not going to go too much into the details on it, but we are going to talk about, some of the, use cases in the real world. So obviously a developing platform, Cardano is being built to accommodate a broad range of use cases, solving problems across multiple industry verticals. We see education, retail, agriculture, government, finance, and healthcare all being, 6 very solid use cases behind what Cardano is trying to accomplish. And that is definitely going to push Cardano in the right direction when it comes time. So we also see the foundation and decentralization as 2 of the 5 points that we've already completed on the Cardano roadmap. We still have smart contract scaling and governance. These 3 are very, very major. If we can see Cardano push these 3 down in, a timely manner, I do think we are going to see Cardano continue to do very, very well throughout the year of 2021 and 2022. I do think, realistically, Cardano is a very long-term hold. It's not one that you're going to, take short-term gains on most likely. For the most part, you're going to hold Cardano for a long term. That's what most people are trying to do at the very least. If we take a look at the actual Cardano price chart one more time, because this is where we're going to do those price predictions for May, June, and 2021. Cardano's at $1.75. We're seeing massive potential behind Cardano, and I continue to talk about, why Cardano is going to do so well in 2021, but let's talk about where we're going to end up. So by the end of May, first off, I think we're going to do a very, very, solid increase altogether. We already see a solid increase. We started at the beginning of May. Let's see May 1st here. Looks like May 1st started right around $1.37, $1.36. And I do think, $1.75, a lot of people are already very, very happy with that increase. I do think we have a lot left in the tank, though. We went down to about $1.27 range, and then we started this pump all the way up to about $1.84. It's just crazy how fast Cardano can move. It just shows that it's not a stable coin. Obviously, a lot of people complaining that, it doesn't move much. If you take a look at the last year, I'll tell you right now, it's moved a lot, and we saw a lot of positive increases for the most part. And Cardano, by the end of, May, I think we could easily push for a $2 coin. It's one of those that it's going to be very, very close. I think this $1.84 is a great price point for us, but if we could get over $2, that's going to be fantastic moving into June. By the end of June, I do think, we have potential to continue this push. $2.50 is going to be my price target for the end of June. Do remember, we are going to be in alt season. We are in this massive bull run, so it's definitely a possibility that we see $2.50. Also remember, guys, these are very conservative price predictions. We could see much higher than these, but I always try to keep my price predictions on the conservative side, realistic side, so $2.50 is going to be my price target for the end of June. Going into the end of 2021, my price still stands. I think we could potentially see higher, but my price still stands around that $6 to $8 price point. We could end up in a bear market at the end of this bull run. Obviously, that's usually how it goes. And if we end up in a bull market, that brings the Cardano price down quite a bit. Which I don't suspect, actually. I don't think Cardano is going to actually apply to many other altcoins where, you see these massive decreases. I think Cardano is going to do fairly well through the bear market itself. Obviously not perfectly. No coin will do great, but Cardano is going to do fairly well. And I think, by the end of the bear market, we are going to see Cardano continue to push through. So I think by the end of the year specifically, we are still going to see that $6 to $8 Cardano price point at the very, very least. I think it has potential to be $10 to $12, to be honest, but 6 to 8 is going to be my realistic conservative price prediction. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you guys are Cardano holders, it really would mean a lot to me if you guys could subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.